spring.
Oh, this looks bad.
This recipe card spoiled the hot milk spring. I knew it.
Hey, get off!
There must be a way.
We can't drink this milk anyway. Let's just open the plug at the bottom of the spring and get rid of it. Right?
That's a good idea. I'll give it a try. Bam!
Wow, it's so dirty.
There's only one way. I
Oh,
have to eat it.
That's it! Let's turn all spoiled milk into cheese!
It stinks so bad. Can we really turn this into cheeses?
We won't know unless we try. I'll show you what horseradish sauces are made of.
Well then, let's begin. Bam!
Yeah.
Cha!
Ah,
Cha! Ya da 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 da!
Yeah.
Hey?
This isn't right for a charming prince like me.
I'm so exhausted.
I can't do this anymore. I don't want to do it.
No matter how hard you try.
Is that Cha-Cha? How did Cha-Cha get here? Still, there's absolutely nothing you can do. Huh?
No one can stop this black tyke. Huh? What? This light!
If we can't fix this, the milk hot spring will never be as delicious as it used to be.
We did our bestest. We can't do anything else.
We can live without milk.
Oh no! Milk! I'm sorry I couldn't drink you!
Guys, don't give up. Ketchup-B's right. If we lose hope, we're meaningless. Guys!
Ketchup-B is right.
Let's work together.
Everyone
together.
Let's go!
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
What is this?
White light?
No, that's Sparkle Energy? Great! Leave it to me from now on. Sparkle! Transformation! Cha-cha!
Whoa!
Come on! With your goodness, we can make the milk hot spring clean again. Let's bring the sauce power together.
Whoa! All the spoiled milk is gone.
Instead, we have a very large cheese. Yummy!
Yes!
Yes!
I'm going to jump too! Ta-da!
What?
We found it! It's the recipe card!
Whoa! What is that?
You guys!
Uh-oh!
Master Sauce!
Don't worry, I saw everything. I mean, really. Well done! You guys were awesome!
What?
You did well too, Spirit Cha-Cha!
I still have a long way to go compared to you, Master Sauce.
Haha! That's all in the past. Now I have my students. Take this, everyone!
Oh, a card?
Now that we know you have magical powers, these remaining recipe cards will help us restore peace in Sauceria. With your powers, you can do it.
Thank you, Master Sauce.
How dare they disturb my plans? Let's see if they can stop me next time.